everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Philine, and today we are going to do unboxing. Yes, unboxing. So it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, I forget the clapping. All right, without further ado, let's do it. By the way, um I also have Mercari shop link down below, and I have a lot of sales, which is my previous unboxings before. And so we have this receipt. Oh, it's a wine voucher for $50. I have to go to Macy's and look for this. And dun, 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 dun. This is it. Guess what? Oh my god, I'm excited. So I've been aiming to buy this one, and it's just like it doesn't happen because of the fact that, sorry, I was waiting for this to go on sale, because this is actually a really expensive one. I believe that's $550, I believe. We will see. Okay, so Charan! Oh, you cannot see. Oh my god. I'm just so excited because this is really, I've been wanting to buy this for a while. So, voila. Oh my god, this is pretty. This is called the Beat Bag. So, last time I unboxed Beat Bag that is color blue. It's also Coach, but that one is a smaller version, but this one is a bigger version of Coach. So this is originally $550, yes, but of course I did not buy it for $550, and I'm having a hard time. Let us remove this one. I'm removing this so we can actually really see it, because I'm just excited. If you don't know how it look like in person, it's just, and just this, they really pack it pretty good. Oh, he said this is made of glove leather. I don't know what that means. Glove leather. Yes, so it's a genuine glove leather, a glove tan leather. So, all right. Oh my god, I really like this bag. Look at that. So this is really perfect size, beautiful bead bag. Wow. So the black is, it hardly go on sale for really, like right now at Coach they are selling it for like 400 something, but I'm not buying that for 400 something. Are you kidding me? So this one, it comes with two straps, one longer strap and one oh my god, okay. It's not two straps, so one. So this one will go in here. Let us do this. I'm just excited. Hang on. So actually, and there's another one. So there is another handle. And okay, wait a minute. How am I going to do it? Okay, the to hook it is just, we just push it at the push it at the end. Goodness, So this is how it looks like, and really nice handle, like it goes here. I'll show you. So that is for the handle, and this one is just hanging in there. And you can also wear this with this one. And there's another one. This is for extension, this and this shoulder strap. So there are three kinds of shoulder strap: the long one and the short one, and the chain. Look at, oh my god, I have to show you the details of it. Look at that. This is really, really beautiful. And I really like the color of this gold because it is not super shiny. It's not like, yeah, look, it's just like lighter ones. And it says Coach in there, and there is a pocket at the back. And this one, I'm so happy with this bag, because these are really this is hard to come by for a sale for this black one, which is really popular. And wow, for 550 I won't buy this for not being on sale, just because I love good deals and because I'm a reseller. So of course you can buy this in my Mercari. Not for 550. Okay, I will price you pretty good for this one. And I like this, like this is just elegant, just pretty with all the hardware. And what can I say? Oh my god. So yay, that's about it. I'm just so happy for this purchase. I'm really happy because of the fact that this is looking pretty and beautiful. So wow, I could not be more happier. So yeah, it's just one of those. This is very popular bag of Coach, and of course comes with a dust bag here. And yay, thank you so much for watching. So I'm just showing you your potential bag, and if you like it, you can make me an offer and go to my Mercari and buy it from there. I always find good deals or great deals that I could resell. So not only me that's gonna be happy, and also my customer. Yay! Happy me! Okay, thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day. Bye!